So, good day everyone. Welcome to this channel, Swing Products with BFX. So, last week I analyzed the charts. Last week Sunday, and I analyzed the charts. I was expecting different movement in the market, expecting a sell, expecting a buy. Then I analyze it and I see the reason why I was expecting a sell and I was expecting a buy. And if I was expecting a sell, what I'm going to the confirmation I'm going to wait for in the market, and if I'm expecting a buy, the confirmation I'm going to expect in the market. So let's move on. This is XAUSD. I've analyzed the chart and I was expecting a clean break and retest of the downside or of the upside of the market. So if I am to buy, according to this market, what I was expecting a break and retest out of this level. Then the market moved to the upside. Then if I was expecting a buy, if the market doesn't move to the upside to break and retest the red line, like the trend line, so I'll be expecting a break and retest of this certain level to the upside, or I'll be expecting a break and retest of this level to make a sell. So let's wait for the market and let's wait for how the market move. Note, if the market break and retest, we should look for a certain confirmation. Most of the time I look for bearish engulfing candlestick to sell after it has break and retest the certain level I wanted, or I'll just wait for a break and retest with a bullish engulfing candlestick if I am to buy. So we are expecting this in the market. So let's move to Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I've marked out the major level of support and resistance in this market. As you can see, this level I've marked it out. Likewise, this level I've marked it out. The place whereby the market has a major rejection. So as you can see at this level, the market has already break and retest this level. So the only confirmation that we are looking for right now is that after this candle closes, we'll be looking for a clean bearish engulfing candlestick, or if the market doesn't move that way, we'll be expecting a clean break and retest to the upside. It break this level of support and resistance to the upside, then retest this level again, then move to the upside with some confirmation for us to enter. That is, we're expecting a buy if the market break up to the upside, breaking out of the level of support and resistance to the upside, then retesting the level back to the downside, then with a confirmation of a bullish engulfing candlestick to enter a buy. Then if at all we are going to enter the sell, we'll be expecting a clean break and retest toward the downside of the market with a bearish engulfing candlestick. As you can see towards the downside, we are expecting a bearish engulfing candlestick. After this candle has ended in 47 seconds, we'll be expecting a bearish engulfing candlestick. But mind you, the market might not create a bearish engulfing candlestick. It can just break out of this level, moving to the upside, breaking this level, moving to the upside, then retest it back with a bullish engulfing candlestick for us to see an opportunity for a buy in the market. So let's move to AUD card. On AUD card, this is what I'm expecting. Yeah, this is a clean trade, bro. So on this trade, I'll be expecting a very clean, a very clean breakout of this level. I will be waiting for the market to break out of this level. Breaking out of this level, retesting it, then move to the upside. Or either way, It's just going to move to the downside, breaking and retest of this level, then moving to the downside. So I've already speculated what I was expecting in the market if I am to sell, and what I was expecting in the market if I am to buy. So let's move to GBP USD. Or GBP USD, as you can see, it's like we already have a clean break and retest. We are looking for a bearish engulfing candlestick toward the downside of the market. That is, it's already come down to this side, break and retest it. Then we are looking for a bearish engulfing candlestick, a full body bearish engulfing candlestick for us to what? For us to sell. I mean something like this. I'm looking for something like this, a bearish engulfing candlestick. Then I'm going to enter what? I'm going to enter a sell. But or either way, the market just continue. You can see at this level, the reason why I hope for a majorly, I'm hoping for a sell is that the market has been forming an uptrend, since, as you can see. So to me, at this level, it's majorly for market correction. So if the market doesn't correct and actually wanted to continue the trend, I'll be expecting a clean breakout of this level, then retesting this level back and moving to the upside. So let's wait for how the market plays out. Either we buy, this is huge, 20 pips stop loss. Either we buy or we do what? Or we sell. 20 pips, 18 pips stop loss. No, yeah. Yeah, this is perfect for the stop loss. So, and it's going to give us a huge sell, about 3 to 3 ratio 1. Yeah. So let's move to USD JPY on damn, bro. Yeah, on 4-hour time frame, we are going to enter this trade. Yeah, I'm going to enter this trade for a sell. Yeah, it's already come out of this level and it has already break and retest it. It's a bearish engulfing candlestick. So this is a trade that I can even take 100 and 100,000 times, bro. This is a clean trade. After I did this video, I'll make sure I enter the trade, then I'll give you guys feedback, either I lost the trade or I win the trade, and I'll tell you the reason why I lose, and I'll tell you the reason why I make profits on it if it does move to my direction. Actually, I'm speculating. So but I was expecting, it has been a long time I've been expecting the market to give me an opportunity for a sell, but it's keep on moving to the upside, moving unpredictable. If I could remember very well, I've been waiting for the market to give me a sell, something around this level. As you can see, give me something like left and right shoulder. We're having the head, we're having the left shoulder, we're having the right shoulder. That is left and right shoulder pattern, which give us a huge. Then I was expecting a small bearish engulfing candlestick. Then it just creates this huge bearish engulfing candlestick. Then, bro, the trade just moved straight to my direction without even breaking and retest and giving me a proper confirmation. So that's how trade works, though. Accept it. So this time around, I'm going to enter this trade. It has already moved to this side, so it's moving to this downside, giving us something around. It's going to give us something around 2 ratio. So 94 pips, risking risking 45 pips. That was huge. That is, the market is actually volatile then. So as you can see, our marked it out here. The market has been forming a downtrend. Yeah, this, I saw it as something like a market correction, but you can see what I wrote. Hold for the candle to close, one. Then if the candle close with full body engulfing the red line, sell, but it's too risky. It's better to go for a clean break and retest of the line, then you are good.